Hi, welcome everyone to our another demo on which we are going to see that how exactly we can do the installation of Docker on the Windows 10. Docker is something available for most of the operating system like Unix and Windows. Through various Linux command we can do the installation, but in the case of Windows we have to download the exe file on the particular installer from the Docker website. Let's go to Chrome, Google, Docker. Here you can see the Docker desktop for Windows. You can see the installer here. This is completely free version. It needs Windows 10 in your machine. So if you click Get Docker, the installer exe file will get download. It's around 536 MB. Once the download will complete, we can go ahead to proceed the installation. When we install, we have to proceed some of the steps. Actually, there is a huge difference between the installer. For example, in case of Linux, the size of the installer is little bit less. In case of Windows, GUI also involved, and also there are a lot of binds are available. So that the size of Windows is bigger than Unix. This installation requires Windows 10 again. So now it got download. Double click the installer. It will ask for the approval, yes or no. You have to provide the approval here. What you can do here, click OK. Unpacking the files. Let's wait. Once the installation done, you can open your command line or the PowerShell and start working on the Docker. It will take some time to extract the file. Let's wait. Now it is asking us to close, but I already installed. That's the reason it is not asking me to restart the machine. If this is the first time you are installing, it will ask you to close and restart the machine. So now close it. You can use either command line or PowerShell. I'm using PowerShell. You can run any Docker command here in order to check whether the Docker is installed or not. You can see the installation, something you can see here. In order to get the version, Docker version, you can enter Docker version here. You can see the Docker version 20.10.7. So this is the way that how exactly we can go for the Docker installation. That's it for this demo. I hope you got the idea about how to install the Docker on Windows 10. Thank you for watching.